Mimi the cat here. Let's have some fun, shall we? Possum! Coming through!
Mimi.
What's that smell?
Hey! On my computer?
Gross.
Where's she going now? Oh, man! Those are my favorite shoes! Yuck! More? Does this ever end? Oh! Still holding it? Ah! The poop! Incoming!
Let's do this.
Here! We're gonna catch that poo! Who will get the most? I hope it's me!
I don't think so.
Here comes another one!
Ha! Got it!
Oh boy! Super gross, but we did it! Yes!
Go us!
Can I borrow this? What a mess! Ah!
Pomni? My best friend? Life will never be the same. We did everything together. Everything.
I hate a sad Mimi. I can fix this. Hey, the heart. I can work with this. Just needs a little mending. There. I'll make it stronger than ever. If Mimi loves you, so do I. Just look at this. What do you think? A mini Pomni. And it's all yours. Wow, it looks great.
If you say so. Sleeping again, huh? Mike? What died in there? Yuck! I have to do something about that breath. Time to brush those teeth. Ready? Come on!
What's going on? Weird.
Take this. Now brush those chompers. Bye-bye, food and tartar. Placky, be gone. Look at all that junk. So stinky and gross. Don't neglect the tongue. Oh, much better. Nothing but smiles now.
What? Wait. Whoa! Message received!
Then get to work.
A brush? Okay. Stay quiet!
What do we have here?
Goo.
Dinner time already? Alrighty, coming. Hold on, I got you.
Phew. Thanks, Mimi. I'm afraid we've been robbed. Miss Giraffe is gone.
This is bad. But I have a plan. Watch. I have some work to do. No one can take my toys away from me. Not when I can make them myself. Mine. There you go. Look, arms. I have legs too. Ta-da! All done.
Oh, wow. It's just like the real toy. So flexible. It's great.
Oh, I know.
Smells funky. Really funky. Gross.
So sensitive.
Good, kitty. You like this show? It's Pomni, your favorite.
Wow!
What's that? Pomni's for sale? But wait, it's 100 bucks! Okay, how much do I have? Let's see.
You're broke, but I'll take the mouse.
Just a quarter.
A quarter?
It's just not enough, Mimi.
Why?
Whoa, whoa! 1 second. Why buy toys when I can make them? Just trust the process. Here we go. Perfect fit. Hello, Pomni? What do you think? She even blows bubble gum. Cool, right?
Wow.
Mimi? What have you done? What?
I couldn't help myself.
She would have looked like this.
I'm sorry. I have to make it up to him. He needs love.
What a day.
Oh, Mike, I love you.
Thanks, Mimi! Is this your old fur? Sweet but gross.
No? Just hold on. I have to make this right. Just hang tight, Mike. This craft will solve it all. You'll have the perfect girl at your fingertips. Just you wait. Almost there. Nice. Now for the very last step. Good and secure. Have fun in there. Let's go for a ride. Woohoo! Enjoy your new home. Oh, Mike?
What's this? A toy? Hey, something is in here. Now she's down here. Whoa! That's pretty cool. All from a magnet? Wow! Gotta run! See ya!
Bye, Mike. Aw, that's cute. Everyone likes a love heart. Now what's she doing? It's too dark. Whoa, no way! It's inspired me. I need to find lipstick.
I'm so pretty! I can explain. Don't tell anyone.
Why am I not surprised? I've got more important things to do. I've got art to create. Love hearts are so last season. I'll draw a self-portrait. Wow, it's magnificent! Now for the finishing touches. Alex, you need to see this.
What's wrong, Mimi?
It's in the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Wow, so cool. I love it.
I knew you would.
I better clean the mirror.
You're ruining it!
It's spotless.
No, Mimi, let's talk about this.
I'll make it up to you.
Trust me!
Mimi, please, I'm begging you.
I hope that's chocolate. It looks like something in my litter tray. Ooh, sprinkles. She's kissing the candy. Okay, I get it. I know what to do.
Ooh.
I love chocolate. I'm gonna enjoy this.
I'll take that.
Where did it go? What?
This is important. I need to shred it. This is going well. I'm happy with that. It needs to go into bowl. I want all that chocolatey goodness. Then I'll melt it. I don't want to get my paws dirty. I'll dip it into the chocolate, then into sprinkles. This is fun! I need to show Alex.
Ooh, what is that?
Snack time. These look yummy. I can't wait to try them.
My mouth is watering.
Tasty. You're a genius, Mimi.